Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel, Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today in this video, we are going to recite and learn dua to ask for righteous spouse and righteous children. This dua is mentioned in Surah Al-Furqan, chapter number 25, words number 74. The dua is Rabbana Hablana min Azwajina wa Dhurriyyatina Qurrata ayunin waj'alna lilmuttaqina imama. Let us now learn this dua word by word. The first word is Rabbana. Rabbana means our Lord. Rabbana means our Lord. Rabbana means our Lord. Then comes Hablana. Hab means grant and Lana means us. Hablana means grant us. Our Lord, grant us. Min Azwajina. Min Azwajina. From our spouses. Min means from and Azwajina means our spouses. Min Azwajina, from our spouses. Wa Dhurriyyatina. Wa means and. Dhurriyyatina means our children. Wa Dhurriyyatina means and our children. Qurrata ayunin. Qurrata means comfort and ayunin means our eyes. Qurrata ayunin means comfort to our eyes. Qurrata ayunin means comfort to our eyes. Then comes the word waj'alna. Waj'alna. Wa means and aj'alna means make us. Then comes lil muttaqina. Muttaqina means righteous. Muttaqina means righteous. The last word is imama. Imama means leader. Imama means leader. Let us now revise this full dua once again. Rabbana Hablana min Azwajina wa Dhurriyyatina Qurrata ayunin waj'alna lilmuttaqina imama. Rabbana Hablana min Azwajina wa Dhurriyyatina Qurrata ayunin waj'alna lilmuttaqina imama. Our Lord, grant us from our spouses and from our children comfort to our eyes and make us the leader of the righteous. Our Lord, grant us from our spouses and children comfort to our eyes and make us a leader of the righteous. Our Lord, grant us from our spouses and children comfort to our eyes and make us a leader of the righteous. Hope you have understood the meaning of this dua. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members and subscribe to our Islamic channel. Jazakallah khairan.